Hey guys, this is Missy Ryan with Wishes Family Travel. I'm at All Star Movies. I'm spending the night here with my son Jack, and I just wanted to show you these newly renovated rooms. They are really nice. I love when I walk into a Disney resort and get into the room because they're so clean and they're just really up to my standard, I should say. Everything just looks so great. I really love how they have flooring now. If you see this, the table and chairs, this is a Murphy bed. Let me see if I could show you. It's really easy once you move the chairs to just pull that down. And you have your Murphy bed. So that's really nice because in the morning when you're getting ready, you put it back up and you're creating more space. So I really love that new feature. Also, the beds are high enough to put your suitcases under. Again, another great feature, especially when you have a lot of things. You have families traveling. You have your drawers, your dresser, your refrigerator, more little shelves over here, your flat screen TV, leading into the bathroom area, which I love that the sink is outside of where the bathroom and shower and tub are. Then you have this dividing door that separates, which is also nice. I like that with getting ready. More storage space here. Then you can see there's more shelving, your closet area. And I mean, super clean, really clean. Love it. Again, we are at All Star Movies. This is one of the renovated rooms. There are 2 queen beds in here now, so that's another huge plus. We have the Murphy bed and the wood flooring. It just looks beautiful, and I really, really love it. Very impressed. If you would like to know more about this resort or any resort on property, please message me at missyr@wishesfamilytravel.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night or day or morning, wherever you are. Bye.